Today we're diving into the ultimate outdoor kitchen solution, the GCI Outdoor Slim Fold Cook Station, your perfect companion for epic camping trips and tailgating adventures. This portable folding kitchen table boasts a heat-resistant aluminum tabletop, allowing you to safely use a camp stove while enjoying the convenience of 4 fold-out side tables for storage and hooks for trash bags or utensils. Whether you're prepping for a tailgate, setting up a campsite kitchen, or enjoying a picnic, this multi-use table has got you covered with all the comforts of home. The all-in-one station includes a secure storage rack and a conveniently located paper towel holder, making it a breeze to keep everything organized. With its one-piece, no-hassle design, setting up is as easy as popping the table up, and when you're done, it folds down into a compact, portable size thanks to Slim Fold technology. Transporting it is a cinch with the built-in carry handle, and with open dimensions of 52 inches in length, 20.9 inches in width, and 32.3 inches in height, it offers ample space for all your outdoor cooking needs. Weighing just 18.9 pounds, this sturdy table can hold up to 48 pounds on the aluminum top, 30 pounds on the side tables, and 35 pounds on the storage rack, making it the perfect addition to your outdoor gear.